This video will show you how to add users to the Total Connect app and give family members or others the ability to get alerts and use your home's security and automation system. To get started, press the three dots on the bottom right of the app. Select Settings. Then choose Users. Now select Add User. You can select from three types of users. An admin can add and delete users and configure the app. The standard user is limited to control only. The panel-only user will not be able to use the app and can only use the system from the Security Control panel. For this demo, let's choose Standard. Now, fill in the new user's information, including first name and last name. And if you would like, you can also add a photo. Then select a username and confirm the user type. Also, select the language for any notifications and the preferred time format. If you turn on the prompt for user code, the user will be required to enter a code when arming or disarming. When you are done, press Continue. Now enter the user's email address where they will receive a welcome email. Press Continue. Now, select what parts of the system the user should have access to, as well as add their 4-digit user code. When finished, select Create User, and an email will be sent to welcome the new user.